we are doing this lock. We are at 6403 Theota. I'm changing locks out. I've got the old ones out. We're gonna bag them up here. Okay. Got the key in the bag, the key for this lock set. We're gonna just show you. Actually, this one is a little small for that particular bolt, so we will get a different one real quick. All right, let's get a bigger one, bigger tip that way, because it was kind of skipping there. Okay, so let's get that in. All right, so that's the in. All right, so we take, as you see, there's a crescent shape there. So that needs to go right in that side. When you do it, just kind of, well, let's see here. So, all right, back and forth. So that moves it out. So we have to move that out because of the placement of the hole. So when you put it in, you see, look, watch. Okay, make sure it's on the right side. See, now the hole's lined up because we had to move that out. So let's try that again. Screws back in, line it up. All right, now we should be able to just put it right through perfectly. Okay, first thing you want to also do is push this in as you do it. And it slides right in. Well, make sure that these are lined up on this side, the holes there, okay? Now, being that these are a quick set, they're fairly easy to put the other side in. You take your bolts. All right, so basically for this side, okay, you got to get this lined up, this little crescent with the crescent up here, and this is give me a little bit of trouble here more than it should. This isn't I thought it was. Man, this gave me a real hard trouble. All right, see how that popped back out? So that's about right where you want it. Well, let's take just a manual screwdriver that I can control the tension a little easier. And then we'll check it again. All right, so when you turn it, you want it to pop back. There's the lock. Let's test the first one. That is just about perfect. Had a little wobble. Let's give it a little bit more tightness. Okay, so unlock. All right, so that kind of lubricates it too because it's pre-oiled. Boom. Okay. There's the first part. That's how you do it. All right. And then, it's just basically the same process. Here, let's check for the hole width, or see if we have to extend it at all. Yeah, I think so, yeah. The way they cut it is set back. So, we can, so basically you just, to set a deadbolt, quick set deadbolt, you just turn it right here. Just go, just take it, turn it. And then, put him on in, like so. Okay, and then we're gonna screw him on in. The screws. Okay. All right, straighten that out. All right, let's get the deadbolt, the bolts. Okay, same thing here. We're gonna feed this little shape into that shape. So basically, we're going to turn it until that fits in there like so. Slide them on in. Sometimes it might be, let's see, okay. Well, I don't want to go right in perfectly yet. Let me see. Okay, so that, let's see. Let's turn it this way. So it's kind of go like, okay, so this is actually upside down. So, yeah, that's why it's not fitting right. So let's redo that. We're gonna have to pull that back out. That's the deal. Could happen, you know, it can happen. Okay, so we'll just flip it around so that it's upright. That's a little something that, when they did the hole, it's not really trying to go through too easy though, upside down, which is weird. There we go, I got it through. Just had to kind of get it in there. All right. Now we should be all set. Let's try it again. Okay, let's turn this to fit in the shape. And there it goes. Yep, so we got it to slide in. Let's just kind of turn it a little bit, get it straight as possible. There's the other side. Okay, and then what we want to do is match it again. As you put it in, you kind of want to turn it so that you can get the bolts in. So let's do that real quick. Line it up till I feel it. Till I feel the holes. Alright, give it a few cranks, make sure, you know, it's gonna Make sure it's not too tight in here, not too loose. That one's probably a little tight. Okay, I'll probably drive it. Just bring it back out a little bit. There we go. And then just kind of hand tighten that. Okay, that's how we work. All right, so boom. Perfect. No shake, no nothing. Went right in like it's supposed to. That is a successful lock change. Now, let's do the key test. Make sure we got the right keys. Perfect. Same here. Lock it.